it has been a while, but we're back. Obviously, your cat needs a litter box. Here in this video we're going to make a quick look for Litter Robot 4, this large size automatic litter box for your cat. Let's open the box and see what's inside. This is the drum where all the magic happens, the lights, opening for the litter chunks which go to the waste drawer, and the grid which filters the cat litter for use. This is the waste drawer. You should install the liner here and dispose when it fills up. Control buttons. The drum is removable for maintenance. Let's open the lid and remove it. This gear drives the drum. Let's put it back. Very easy. Add a device in the app, press the connect button, scan the QR code, give name to your litter robot, wait a little, add your Wi-Fi network, now you can add your pet, and you're good to go. The cat figured quickly what to do. Well done! The app shows that the device is in use. While the cat is here. Red light means in this case that the device is in use. That's because there is a configurable cycle delay. In our case, it's 7 minutes. And here you see the statistics, how many times the cat used the device and its weight. It takes some time to get used to, but I think our sweet boy will love the litter robot. Thank you, please subscribe!